Yung vocals mo is also amazing despite having sakit or ubo. So, good job on that.
Thank you so much po.
I was asking Jemwell kanina, can you give us a little bit of a background? Any showbiz exposure or connections prior to this? Have you joined a contest? a talent
Competition.
Yeah, go
TV
ahead.
show, anything.
Yes.
Wala. None. Actually, I tried auditioning, but ano po kasi yung schedule ko sa school and yung mga gigs ko sa concerts, parang hindi ko na po masingit yung mga TV shows and competitions sa mga network. That's why I didn't push through. Ang nag-focus na lang po talaga ako sa paggawa ng maraming kanta. And yun naman po talaga parang I did music, I pursued music, not because I want to compete, but I want to share something that could inspire people, heal them, or use my songs to any occasions. Kaya nga po, kahit Father's Day song, Mother's Day song, Christmas song, Valentine's Day, lahat ata nadaanan ka ng season ng buhay. So ayun po, it's all about me sharing my music, not competing.
Right. No, the reason why I asked them that, it's because it's a good platform, no? If you want to really
Yes.
make a easy or quick jump off, di ba?
Really?
Starting point.
May mga instances po 'di ba na parang it works for other artists na
Right.
sumali sa competition. But in my case po kasi, yung time ko po kasi yung naging problem ko nun and yung priorities ko sa buhay. And my priority was great song studies. Yan.
Right. Pang ilang album mo na to? Kasi you said
First album.
First album. But can you count how many songs you've written? Ang dami na siguro, no?
Around 29?
Wow.
Oo,
Wow.
29.
And we've heard 10 of them kanina. Bumoto na kami kay Jemwell kung ano yung
Talaga?
favorite namin.
May pa-premyo nga po Sino po magpapapremyo?
Nasa likod ni MJ.
Sino po yung sponsor?
Yung naka-orange.
But I'm also just curious, no? Parang it appears that you're a really good singer-songwriter.
Thank you so
Who
much.
do you want to collaborate with or to write a
Ayan.
song for?
Oh, idol na idol ko po talaga sila Sarah Geronimo, Yen Constantino, tas yung mga Gen Z artists sila Janine Teñoso, Maki, ang dami, wait lang guys, parang gumaganon siya sa utak. Nagsa-scroll lang. Ayun po, siguro yung mga notable artists po talaga si Janine Teñoso. Parang, yeah.
We look forward to that. Thank
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, MJ Felipe from ABS-CBN. And syempre, di mapapatalo ang Net25. Di ba? Cesar Batingan. Syempre, di ba? Mapapatalo ba ang network nyo? Syempre, hindi. Camera mo, oh. Ano pala? Ayan, sige. Cesar Batingan.
Ay, Isha,
Hello po.
ano yung difference nitong 10 tracks songs mo dito sa
Difference.
album dun sa mga na-release mo na hindi kasama sa album? Nung like Jahe, like yung mga iba pang mga
Difference niya po, sorry, pumiyok. Difference niya po sa Jahe or yung mga na-release ko na po, na
Kasi
songs.
hindi siya kasama sa album yung mga nauna mong singles.
Yes, kasi this album, iba kasi to It's about my personal experiences when it comes to love, to my dreams, to my heartaches, to family, everything. So parang it's my story naman. It's not about the seasons in life na pag Father's Day, ganun, may kanta. So it's about my personal experiences that can resonate with you. Yun. Kasi iba-iba pong scenarios yung nangyari sa album na to.
Isha,
Yes
okay.
po.
In terms naman sa dub sa'yo as Asia's pop sweetheart,
Yes.
mayroon siyang relevance kay Popstar Royalty. Hindi ba yung mga fans magkaroon ng confusion or i-compare ka kay Sarah Geronimo?
Sarah Geronimo is Sarah Geronimo I'm a different person. So I think, comparison,
Yung word lang na pop star kasi.
when it comes to the title po ba, or yung persona
Yeah,
persona
sa
ko as an
in terms of
artist?
title.
In terms of title, Pop Sweetheart. Wait lang.
Gusto mo rin tahakin yung tinahak.
Yung parang si Sarah Geronimo. Yes po, actually. Since idol na idol ko po talaga si Miss Sarah Geronimo, I really admire how she presents herself, yung principles niya sa buhay, and ayun, so, paano pong comparison?
Sa mga fans.
Fans?
Oh.
For example po,
Kasi,
compare kami saan? Ganun.
kasi
Sa
ngayon,
title.
di ba, hindi natin lahat ng netizens hindi natin mapipis. May
which
mga
is
ganito.
normal.
Which is normal.
Yeah.
Pero paano yung pagtanggap mo?
Pagtanggap ko?
Pagtanggap mo sa mga criticisms, sa mga comparisons, sa mga hindi kaaya-ayang sinasabi ng ibang mga hindi kasama sa fan base mo.
In my own perspective, sa sinabi niyo po, parang I value my own identity as an artist. So, kung may comparisons, comparisons na mangyayari, yeah, we will have similarities and differences which will, fit kung ano yung qualities ko as a person and an artist. But
Pero hindi ka na-apektuhan.
hindi naman po. Parang, I know myself eh. And I know what's true and I know what's false. So,
Last na lang.
oo.
Hindi talaga nagpatalo.
Yung sa artificial intelligence, right now, napakagaling magpasikat ng songs sa TikTok, sa mga social media, kahit hindi totoong tao.
Totoo.
Pero right now, ano yung
Take ko doon.
kumbaga, take mo doon, lalo na you're also a songwriter.
I mean, kami po ni Direk Adonis Tabanda, whenever he shares about sa mga vlogs niya or yung content niya, may sinabi po siya about AI being a tool, which is true when it comes, sa mga artists, sometimes ginagamit na nga po nila yung AI to make songs, tapos biglang nagva-viral po, di ba? Mas nagva-viral siya kaysa sa mga, pinaghihirapan po talaga ng mga singer-songwriter, ganun. So, I'm okay as long as, I'm okay with AI, yung mga AI songs, kasi sino po bang hindi naghawak mo ang beat dyan? Sige po. So, parang okay lang siya. But it shouldn't be normalized that much. Kasi nga po, ang hirap ng mag-give ng value yung real songs na nilagyan ng time, effort, and puso ng mga singer-songwriter like me. So it's important to also remind yourself na yun nga, AI siya. AI siya. Ayun.
Thank you. Of course, our